vague. Kindly clarify the question.
Your Honor, the witness is for so did not get the question. Thank you for counsel. So are you saying that these people that I mentioned, they cannot act independently and are compelled by the genetic force of the mutual? Sino po mga Mayor Baste, the participant in the PBBM rally, the rallies in Canada, and the flood control rallies?
Una po, there's no PBBM rally.
No, sorry, PBBM event, sorry. It's not
Saka, yun nga po, alin po ba flood control? Babalik ko lang po daw sa Senado, sir. Para po mas makontextualize po natin mabuti.
Yes, Your Honor, please. May we request a clarification from the defense?
Produkto po ba na binabanggit yung genetic energy kahapon yung mga pagkilos laban sa administrasyon at individual na mga membro ng administrasyon?
Respectively, sapagkat marami pong may pagkilos po na iba-ibang grupo.
Sa mga may pagkilos na hindi, may pagkilos na
Kaya we qualify, we have to treat each event independently and apply the five-factor test that we are bringing live po sa pagkapangyayari po.
So hindi po laban sa o tutol sa gobyerno, sa particular na opinan ng gobyerno, ay ito na yung ginagawa yung genetic kahapon.
Tama po, Your Honor.
Councilor President.
All right. My question is this. Is this genetic force still active today or does it stop?
Manino, may mga pangyayari po.
And should we really stop this kinetic force or just allow it until 2028?
Hindi ko pakiulit po.
Anyway, I'll withdraw that question. Let's move on to the different question. Is this kinetic force a legal concept?
Ito po ay konteksto sa ating base sa aming investigasyon. Again, babalik ko sa aming mga naging patayan na nagamit po ng jurisdiction para mapapag-establish po doon sa internet para sa national at assessment.
Again, some administration that it's not responsive, but I'll just move on to the second point.
Your Honor, please.
What is the pleasure to the council?
The defense is making side comment to the answer of the witness. Can you please remind him to avoid making side comment as previously invoked by the impeachment court?
I will there's another motion, Your Honor, that witness is not responsive.
Council is not debated between amongst the two parties. Let the witness answer in the testimony. Council to the proceed.
All right. Was the age coalition event a political rally?
Palagay po, sa pagpagdang nandun po ng mga political party po na bibilaban at yung pumumorma na pinumunahan po ng dalang speaker po Badanes.
All right. And as a lawyer and as a former di ba director or
Former
former dean, you are aware that political speech is constitutional.
Depende po kung ano party have qualified.
And unless we are under martial law again, Mayor Baste should be able to freely express his resentment to the government.
Speculative.
Let the witness answer. He is competent to answer that question.
Una, tama naman po kayo, wala namang martial law kayo, at pwede naman po magsalita. But the freedom of expression as application also, kung ito po ay magbabayad na ng batas, at nakakasama nga sa ating bayan, ay hindi naman po ito kasama ng freedom of expression.
All right. But my question to you is this. Did he directly urge the people who were told the government in that rally?
Ang sinabi po niya, base sa aking testimonya, isang ulo lang ang gusto namin, ang ulo ni Bongbong Marcos, at kung matatandaan po ninyo, ay correlated dito sa mga dati pang mga pangyayari. Hindi lang po yung event at sinabi rin namin nagagasahan base sa aming pamatayan po sa pag-assess po ng bantaon.
But that was your own interpretation of what
That is not only my interpretation, but it's the interpretation of the National Bureau of Investigation based on the standards that we follow po consistent the standard.
All right. Is it your interpretation that those also demonstrate this stabilization effort?
Please, pakinggan
Is it also NBI's interpretation that those marks constitute the stabilization?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
No, the witness can.
Ano yung particular na sige.
That speech by Marcos in general.
Yung buong ganyan sinabi ng ang ulo lamang ni Bongbong Marcos ang kilala namin at sabi ko nga, in correlation to the other events, applying the five-factor standard that we are using, which is recognized by our jurisdiction. Doon po pa kami nagkaroon ng conclusion.
Sorry, Director, I didn't quite get your answer. So, are you saying that that's destabilization or destabilization?
He cited the basis, but cut short of answering the question. So